welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is John and I literally just came home from the drugstore and I picked this gorgeous bhcosmetics palette. It is the Color Festival palette and I am so excited to try this one out. But today I wanted to do a swatching video, so if you want to see the swatches of this gorgeous bhcosmetics palette, then just keep watching. So let's first of all, of course, unpack this beauty, and this is what it looks like, and it's like holographic. Is it holographic? Yeah, I think like the writing on it is holographic, and you guys know that I love this, so let's just pop it open. And ooh, of course it's got like a big mirror as well, which I'm going to cover. But this is basically the palette. Can we talk about how colorful this is? Of course it says Color Festival, but you guys, I saw these colors and I just really had to get these. And also I'm putting this thing beside just because like you can't like completely see how beautiful these shades are. And I just watched them at the drugstore already and I fell in love like completely. These are mostly shimmery colors and a few matte ones as well, and I am dying to try these out, you guys. I swatched like 3, I guess. This dark shade right here, a pinkish peachy one, and what did I try? I think this is a denim, a blue one as well. And I will give you a close-up now and then we can jump into the swatching thing. Alright, so this is what the full palette looks like. And I hope you can read like the names of these shades as well. And I think all of them look like super unique and pretty. And I'm so glad that I picked like all of these gorgeous shades, like these lighter bright shades and some dark ones as well, and put them in one palette. There's 20 beautiful shades in here. And I can't even pick like my favorite one. I'm dying to try this Holo one, which says like Holo right here. And I'm so excited if this is going to like actually turn out like Holo, because I really love these Holo effects. Alright, so I would basically say let's just pick the first shade right here and just like swatch it. So this is what it looks like. Oh, are you kidding me? You guys, like I couldn't even see that it's like shimmery. I thought this was one of the like matte ones, but it is shimmery. Oh, I really want to pop it on like my cheekbone. Should I like do this like a tiny bit, just like that? Oh, is it working? I don't even know. Is it working? Let's see what I think. I don't know, like there's too much highlight on already, so I don't think that I can cover this anymore. But now I ruined it, like the swatching thing, right? But I'm going to swatch it on like my wrist, just like that. Excuse me for not looking straight into the camera, but I am pale, but can you see how pigmented this girl is? Oh my gosh, it looks stunning. I really love this palette already, and this is only like the first shade, right? But let's just keep going. So let's move to the second shade, and this is the golden one right here. This is so hard to film. I usually did these like swatching videos like on my makeup desk, but I switched places to film my videos, so oh girl, what is that even? Oh my gosh, it's so pigmented, girl. I'm blinded. You're like, what the heck? Also, my camera is dying again, you guys. Why does this always happen? I need to like buy another like battery, I guess, so I can like switch them as well. Okay, this is like a sweet like rosy tone. I will give you a close-up of all these shades, but first I'm going to like basically just swatch all of these. And oh no, there's another shimmery one. Okay, is your girl okay? Like, is she living? Oh my gosh, I I never seen anything like that before. You guys, I'm obsessed. Your girl is obsessed a little. So now I'm trying this matte shade right here. I think, yes, this is the first matte shade, so let's see. And this is the pinky as well, so there's not much. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This looks like the most perfect transition shade to put on your crease like forever. Can you look at my fingers as well? It looks funny, right? Why is my camera like that? Or am I too tiny or whatever? But can you see that? Oh my gosh, I need a tissue. I need a tissue right now. Okay, so your girl got 5 shades already. And we are moving to the other 15 now. And I hope that my camera is not going to die, because if my camera doesn't die, then I'm going to die, because these shades, you guys, I'm ready. I'm ready, you guys. Also, this was reduced, you guys, at the drugstore, German drugstore, so, you know. So, next I'm going to put, like, the other, like, matte shade right here on my arm. Not this, sorry, this one right here. It's a beautiful, like, transition shade as well, I'd say. And, oh, girl, what's that? What's that even? Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I have to focus on myself now. What? Oi, I'm sorry. There's like a little bit of fallout. Oh no, I think you can see it, right? But girl, it looks so sweet. Oh my gosh. Okay, next we're using Fringe, which is this brownish shade right here. And can't wait to try that. So let's see what this girl's saying. And this girl is saying, oh, well, she's speaking out loud, I'd say. Yes, she's speaking out loud. Okay, next we're using Roux, which is this peachy shade. Are you peachy? I think peachy or like pink. It's going to be a fun like swatching video. Okay, girl, this is like a Barbie cute soft pink, I'd say, and I think this one would look so pretty as in lipstick. Okay, so next we are using Candy, and I tried this one out at drugstore already and it fell in love, so we will see, right? So this is what it looks like, and it's super shiny and shimmery, so let's put this on this arm. Like, it's the same arm, right? I'm confused, sorry. Okay, this girl is quite shimmery. Okay, Candy, you are going to be one of my favorites. Next we're using Rave, which is basically this like lilac plum shade. And I don't even know. Oh, she's dark. She's on the dark side. She's got cookies, I'd say. So let's see. And like these darker shades and shimmery shades. Okay, bhcosmetics, you did something right. You're like always doing your job right, but girl, can we talk about this? It's so beautiful, right? Love it. Also, excuse me again for not looking straight into the camera, but you know, I need to like watch myself. Alright, so next we're doing Holo, and I said already that I'm quite excited about this shade, so let's give it as a swatch. And it looks quite Holo on my finger, so we will see. And it looks like quite blue and lilac and a little bit of pink. Oh yes, it is Holo, you guys. It is kind of Holo. Okay, this is sweet. Like as a topper of an eyeshadow, right? This is so sweet, you guys. Okay, so this was Holo, and next we're jumping into denim, which I said I swatched already. And the shade, you guys. Your girl loves it already. Look at that blue. Oh, you guys, this is like perfect for summer, isn't it? It's so perfect for summer. Also, I need to re-dye my hair. Look at that. Like, it's not blue anymore. It's like turquoise. Okay, so next we're using this darker pink, like reddish shade, and it looks sweet. Oh yes, like super girly, and also you can create like I think classy makeup looks with it. And ooh, it's matte, which makes it like just perfect. I love like all like matte makeup looks, or like completely like glowy and sparkly and shimmery and whatever. But yeah, I love both of them. And the next shade is called Pop, which is not lavender, but it's like kind of a little bit lilac and pink mixed together, I'd say. And it's this sweet shade right here. And basically going to swatch this here. It's light and sweet and doesn't like scream out as loud as like the other shades, but it is sweet indeed. Alright, what do we do next? VIP. Oh, the shade is called VIP, like this one right here. So let's just pop on VIP and see. Did I just rhyme? Oh my gosh, excuse me for that. Okay, so let's just put this on here, and again, these dark shades. I'm screaming! Or is the shade screaming? I don't even know, but I can hear something. Oh my gosh, it's like super shimmery, right? Can't even talk anymore, but it's super shimmery. We are in the last row, which I'm super sad about. This shade is called DJ, and it looks like a brown shade mixed with like a red undertone, I'd say, and it's super creamy, like this one right here, right? And yeah, we will see what this shade says, and it says, "Hi, marry me." Oh girl, if this isn't pigmented, then I don't even know. And for that price, oh my gosh, I love bhcosmetics so much. I do have a few of their palettes already, and let me know if you want to see like a bhcosmetics collection video, and maybe I'm going to film one. That would be sick. That would be sick. Sick, sick, sick. So let's try to clean my hands again and jump into Queen. The shade is called Queen, which is such a sweet name for a palette, and this is what it looks like. And it says, "Hi, what's up?" And I say, "Girl, you match my nail polish a tiny bit, doesn't it?" I think it does. Oh, it's so sweet, look at that. It's super shimmery, oh my gosh. Love it. Can't even focus on what I love the most. But in this shade I swatch as well, which is called, I don't even know yet, but I will tell you in a few. This one is called Haze, and it's green. It's like lime green, I'm sorry. It's like lime green with a yellow undertone, and it's super bright, and I don't know where to put this. Oh, on my hand maybe, yes. And it's super bright, and I love it, and I think this swatching didn't do so well, but that's because my, like, I look so pale right here, but here I'm pretty, like, okay, semi-tanned, I'd say. I think you need to use concealer with this shade. And you're going to rock, girl. You're going to rock this summer, and with like a white eyeliner maybe. Oh, girl. Next shade is Electronic, which is this green one, and I'm so into green and blue. Ugh, I almost dropped the palette. So this is the shade, and I'm going to again put this on my hand because there's not a lot of space left. And girl, this screamed to me as well. It's glittery, oh, and shimmery. Ah, girl, I love it. I love her. Yes, this palette is going to be probably my all-time favorite of the whole summer. So let's jump into the last shade, which is called Rage, and it's this shade right here. I don't even know what these like shades on this last row are, because like they look like all dark and with like undertones I can't even describe. I would say that this one has like a blue and lilac undertone, and like the glitter pigments in it, doesn't make sense, are like blue and lilac, like purple, yeah. And I think this reminds me of a MAC pigment I own. Oh no, it doesn't. It looks like super different in the hand. Like the swatch looks a bit different, but on camera it looks like different again. So there's 3 types of this one. So if you want to marry her, then you never know how she's going to turn out. so make sure that you keep that in mind. Oh my gosh, this was like super exhausting, so I'm done with the Color Festival palette by bhcosmetics, and the swatching went pretty well. I wanted to do a tryout, like testing full face, not full face, but eye makeup look. But I thought of doing a swatching video instead, since that is like super exciting. And now I'm basically going to give you like close-ups of my arm, excuse me for that. And yeah, that's basically it. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell so to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.